into a trailer. And then when you look at the truck, the sound system on the truck is nice. Everything sound clean. You know what I mean? It got super amount of bass, man. So much bass that, you know what I mean, you don't want to stand there too long. But it's a good vibe. I try to get some footage there to try to show you a glimpse of what the amps look like. We have kind of block off. So I try to catch it from the back, but that didn't come out too good either, even if I opened it up a little. Like you said, the wiring neat. A lot of wires, but it's neat. So I get quick to organize and ready to go. I don't know what kind of boxes these are. If you know, just drop them in the comments. Let us know what kind of boxes these are. They did sound clean. I ain't got no complaints about this truck. The vibe on the road is nice too. I don't know what DJ's on there, but I have a clip of one of the DJs on the truck right coming up. Yeah, if y'all know the DJ, drop his name down in the